Top 5. Best Cordless Drill. However, when it's time to choose the right cordless drill, there are many things to consider, and finding the right one for you can be quite a challenge. Well, no worries. In this video, we will present you the top 5 best cordless drill on the market today, so if you're interested in what cordless drill will work best for you, stay tuned. Number 1. Black Plus Decker 20 VMAX Cordless Drill.
Tasks in and around your home are different. But with one powerful interchangeable battery system, you can tackle them your way. With the right tool and plenty of power at hand. Use the interchangeable battery system for convenience and savings. Whether it's a labor of love, your pursuit of perfection, or just something to get done so the fun can begin. One system, endless tasks. With the Black & Decker 20-volt max system, you have power for your style.
Number 2. Bosch Power Tools Drill Kit.
The Bosch 12-volt max lithium-ion drill driver. Big power in a small package. Best in class, compact size, and lightest weight. 3/8 inch 3-jaw chuck. 265 inch-pounds of max torque. 20 plus 1 clutch settings. Powerful 2-speed gearbox. Easy to read charge indicator. Powerful LED work light. It comes with Bosch's 12-volt max lithium-ion quick charge power system with unmatched runtime, best cold weather operation, and twice the lifetime. The right size, a tool for any job, the power you need. The 12-volt max lithium-ion drill driver. Bosch, invented for life.
Number 3. Black Plus Decker 12 VMAX Cordless Drill. Number 4. Bosch PS32-02 Cordless Drill Driver.
Thanks for checking out the PS32, the Bosch 12-volt max EC brushless 3/8 inch pocket driver. This is a tool itself, the PS32. It features a 3/8 inch 3-jaw chuck on the front for quick and easy bit changes. It also has the EC brushless motor, which means it has twice the motor life of its brushed predecessor, as well as being more compact and lighter weight than previous motors, which means this tool is only 6 inches long and 2 pounds, the lightest, most compact in the category. The tool also has 2 speed options, 400 RPM up to 1300 RPM for various applications throughout the day. It has an LED light as well as a belt clip on there for quick and convenient storage. Now, the tool also features a brand new 4x bit tip storage, which means I can actually store 4 different bit tips right on the tool to work with the magnetic bit tip holder on there. Now, the tool also works with our flexible power system, which means it works with our 12-volt max slim pack and fat pack batteries. You can buy the tool as either a bare tool or with slim pack batteries as well. Build your own kit and a combo kit, make whatever works best for you. Now, if you want to learn more about the PS32, check out this page, or learn more about all the different Bosch cordless power tools, including the 12-volt max and Bosch 18-volt lithium-ion.
Number 5. Makita FD07 R112 VMAX CXT Lithium.
Get brushless power and speed in an ultra-compact size with a 12-volt max CXT lithium-ion brushless 3/8 inch driver drill kit. The slide-style lithium-ion battery and a more compact size gives you more comfort and more capacity with a brushless motor for increased efficiency. The tool's mechanical 2-speed transmission is ideal for a range of applications. Makita's efficient brushless motor is engineered for longer runtime, increased power and speed, and longer tool life. With up to 280 inch-pounds of max torque for drilling, driving, and fastening. The compact size and ergonomically designed handle with rubberized soft grip means superior comfort, job after job. For added convenience, the slide-style battery enables the tool to stand on its own and includes an onboard LED charge level indicator. For longer runtime, pick up the 4 amp-hour battery. Makita 12-volt Max CXT tools are equipped with a battery protection circuit, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the expanding 12-volt Max CXT series, giving you more comfort and more capacity in a more compact size.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.